Hi friends, welcome to smartkitprojects.com. As you can see here, the name of this project is password based home automation. Now as you can see here, I'll explain what are the components that we have used over here. Now as you can see, these are relays and connectors, this is LED lights, this is LCD, 8051 microcontroller over here, numerical keypad over here. Now for an example, it is asking enter password. So for now I'll press the wrong password so that it should detect the wrong password. So here we go, 1, 2, 3 and 6. See, it is showing it is an invalid password. Now I'll enter the right password so that it enters the system. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as you can see here, it is showing a valid password. Now here this is displaying that all the 4 loads are off. Now suppose if I want to turn all the loads on, so I'll just press A. So by just pressing A, all the loads will get turned on. As you can see here, L1 turned on, load 2 turned on, load 3 turned on and load 4 turned on. Now just by pressing B, all the loads will be turned off. So if you just want to on the first load, so just press 1. As you can see here, load 1 is on. See here. Just by pressing 2, load 1 will get turned off. Just by pressing 3, load 2 will be turned on. By pressing 4, it will get turned off. 5, load 3 will be turned on, as you can see here. And by pressing 6, it will get turned off. 7, load 4, and 8, it will turn off the load 4. Now by just pressing B, the entire thing you get out of the entire project. So again you have to enter the password over here. So this was the small demonstration of the project. You can use this in a daily, you can use this microcontroller in your circuit for switching on your fans or switching on your TV, etc. Whatever you like, from the remote or the Android app which you like. So thank you for watching this video and warm welcome from www.smartkitprojects.com. Thank you.